Good afternoon, good people. Here I want to share what I get from this workshop. The title is Making Connection Multiplication Technique, from Dr. Eric Chan. As we know, there are some methods to get the product in multiplication, but here I want to share you from Dr. Eric Chan method. The method 1, I think all of us know, or some teacher use this method 1, For example, 15 multiplied by 15. Okay, let's do. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, and then you save 2. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, plus 2, 7. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Okay, let's add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. And then you add 1. You save 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 225. This is, I think, maybe need 2 seconds or 3 seconds. This is the faster way, I think, the second method. For example, 15 multiplied by 15. Okay, this one, the tens, we add 1. So after 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. And then, now the ones. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. So the answer is 225. Same, right? I think this is the easy one, right? Now the second, for example, 26 multiplied by 24. Okay, same like the number 1. After 2 is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Now let's prove it is same or not. 26 multiplied by 24. 5 multiplied by 6 is 24. 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. You say 1. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Next, 4, 2, 6. So the answer is 624. 624. Okay. Next, 38 multiplied by 32. Okay. After 3 is 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So the answer is 1216. Next, 46 multiplied by 44. Okay. After 4 is 5. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So the answer is 224. This is 2 numbers. Now let's continue in 3 numbers. 117 multiplied by 113. Okay. After 11 is 12, right? 12 multiplied by 11 is 132. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So the answer is 13,221. Okay, here. But I want to tell you, there is a note here. There are 2 conditions that you must know and your students must know. The first condition is the number will be same. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. 11 and 11. The second condition is make sure the ones, satuan, the ones, if you add, it will be 10. There, let's see, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 4 is 10, 8 plus 2 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10. So there are two conditions, you must remember that. So not at all in multiplication you can use this method. Okay, this is the third method. Okay, I think maybe you already know about this table, yeah, from John Napier, invented 1617. Okay, let's see. 235 multiplied by 3, so there are 2 columns, and then multiply by 3. Okay, now you multiply 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, so you write 0 and 6. Now 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, you write 0, 9. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, so you write 1 and 5. Now let's add. There are some line here as separated ones, tens, and 100s. Okay, 5, you write 5. 1 plus 9 is 10, so you save 1 here. 1 plus 6 is 7, then 0 plus 0, so the answer is 705. I think this is there is a method here, but I think I didn't show you that method. It is same like this one too. Let's see, 34 multiplied by 27. Yeah, you make 2 columns, 2 rows. Okay, same like the before. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 0, 8. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 0, 6. Now 7. 4 multiplied by 7 is 28, you write 2 and 8. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21, you write 2 and 1. Now let's add. 8 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So you save 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9, 0. So the answer is, okay, 918. Okay, this is multiplication, and now we go on to division. Division, pembagian. There are faster way to get the product in division. Okay, for example, 124 divided by 5. Okay, maybe method 1. 124 divided by 5. Okay, 1 but divided by 5 cannot, so tens, in tens. Okay, 12 divided by 5 is 2, you write 10. 24 divided by 5, you 4, 20, and 40. 40. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So the answer is 24.8. 24.8. Now this is the method 2 from Dr. Eric Chan. 124 divided by 5. You just multiply in 2. Multiply in 2. Yeah. 12. From one setting. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. And then 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. Yeah. Put a dot here. So 24.8. 24.8. Next. Okay, but just remember we use the second method. That's because you divide it by 5. Divided by 5. How about if you divide it by 4? So you can use this method. Okay, just make sure and tell to your students. Okay, I think this is my sharing to you. Hope you enjoy it.